Where are you going?
I'm going to trade the hoopty in on a Lamborghini.
What?
We'll see if they take it. Yeah, the hoopty's going for a one-way ride. Different style video today, guys, a vlog style. Won't get a ton of views, but I thought I would share that with some of my regulars. Have a little bit of fun today. Let's see if we make it. Think they'll take an even up trade for a Lambo? If this makes it, we're going to have a deal. Wish me luck. All right, good friends, let's get going. Let's get this trip started. We have an 8-hour drive, a little over 500 miles. Yeah, absolutely. I could purchase the car and get it shipped up here. Well, what is the fun in that? Where are the memories? So we're going to take the Malibu down. This Malibu happened to be a part of a rental fleet for the shop. If we had a customer that was getting a car done and it took a couple days or a week, they had something to drive. We are refreshing the lineup. So this Malibu can now be traded in or sold. It's indispensable, so we're going to use this to drive down there. That way I don't have to fly down, and we'll see if it makes it, and we'll see if the Lamborghini makes it back. If it makes it back without puking up transmission fluid or motor oil or radiator fluid or coolant, and it doesn't break down, then I have confidence in it once I get it home to take it out and enjoy it. So that's the true test to me. Let's get started. See if we make it down there first. We're going to make it down there. We're going to stay in a hotel overnight, get the paperwork started first thing in the morning so I can get out of there and head north back home from North Carolina. See if we make it home. Let's get going. Okay guys, first pit stop. Number one, because I gotta pee all the time. And number two, because we have a check engine light that popped on the dash. And we're gonna keep on going. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and then we're gonna hit the road and keep on moving. We'll keep moving until it stops running or we make it there. Yeah, no leaks, no noises, a little bit of a shimmer when it's shifting. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. It's not leaking or anything, but this thing does have a ton of miles on. Again, it was an auction car, turned into a rental car, so it's seen its better days, but let's keep chugging on. By the way, guys, we have driven a little over 3 hours now. We still have 300 some miles to go, so let's keep going. And now the oil light came on, so another quick pit stop. Not sounding so great, but maybe a few quarts will take care of it and we can move along. Okay, little bit of a problem. It took a quart or two, but we have it. We have the light off, and we're going to pull back out onto the roadway and continue on. See you in a bit. We have, by the way, we have just under 2 hours to go. It's nightfall. We limped the Malibu into the parking lot. I can take a deep breath, go inside, check in, and relax. All right, guys, it's getting late. Time to hit the hay. We're going to wake up early, get the paperwork done, and start heading home. We made it. Barely. Thank goodness. Good morning, guys. Looks like it's the start of a beautiful day. Slept well. Let's head over to the dealership. A salute to the Malibu. It made it. It got me here safely, kind of. We're now at Godspeed Motorsports. Huge, beautiful facility. Let's head inside. A true toy store for grown-ups, but let's get to the vehicle that I am here for. There's the new addition to the Apex Surface Protection lineup. This is an '07 Lamborghini Gallardo Spider. Prices range between $99K and $238K, depending on the year, model, if it's a super leggero or super light. If it has the gated transmission, which this does not, it's an E-gear. This has a 512 horsepower V10, 376 foot-pounds of torque, double overhead cam, and my favorite color, the Aranco Borealis 3-layer orange. Black interior with orange piping and stitching. Super low miles, barely broken in.
Good morning, my name is Eric. I'm one of the sales reps here at Godspeed Motors. My friend here, Brian, has graced us with his presence all the way from Pennsylvania, which was my home state in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. Here at Godspeed Motors, we basically specialize in all manners of European models, basically late model sports cars such as Lamborghini, Ferrari, Mercedes, BMWs, those niche vehicles that are very hard to find, but yet are made affordable to the average type of person. Today, my friend and I are about to go on a nice test drive. Actually, for me, it's a bucket list because I have yet to be in a Gallardo. I've been in several other Lamborghinis, but not yet this particular one. Godspeed Motors is located just near the corner of 77 and 485 in North Carolina, just north of Charlotte, actually about a quarter mile from North Lake Mall, right off of exit 23C. We've been established over 17 years and have a fairly high reputation for exceeding customers' expectations. If anybody has an opportunity, would like to come down and see us, or would like to be interested in a vehicle on our website, please go to www.godspeedmotors.com. And please, if you would ask for Eric, again, Eric Cover. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Paperwork is complete. We are on our way back to PA. Sunny day. We are on our way. Of course, the top is down, wind flowing through our hair. Well, maybe that was back in grade school. Anyway, We have a long way to go. Seatbelt is clicked. Let's get going. 8 hours to drive. Yeah, that didn't take long before I needed to stop for fuel, especially the way I was driving, and something that's starting to bug me already. Yes, bugs. This has partial PPF, which is going to be torn off and replaced at the shop at a later date. Home sweet home. We made it. I enjoyed every second of that 8-hour drive. So before we end the day and this video, there's one more thing I have to take care of, or it would absolutely drive me crazy. Bug splatter. Now I feel much, much better. There are going to be many videos to follow. We're going to give it a full detail, wheels off, undercarriage, inside, outside. We're going to peel off the partial PPF, and we're going to lay down our own protection. Stay tuned.